Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got English and Russian. So let's tap on add a language to open the list of all available ones. And as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So all we have to do is to simply find the language we would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French, for example. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so simply tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see here, we've got our French language added to the list, but still the English is a main one. So in order to change it to French, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, and the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Just tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And if you do not want to have many languages added to this list, just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the languages you would like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.